Hey there, music lovers. I've got something really special to share with you today. Imagine an evening where the rich heritage of Indian classical music comes alive, right here in Hyderabad. Sound amazing? Well, it's happening. On March 8, 2025, at Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan, the 𝐂𝐮𝐽 Foundation, in collaboration with the Department of Language and Culture, Government of Telangana, is hosting 𝐂𝐮𝐽 2025, and you're invited. This isn't just any event. We're talking about an unforgettable night featuring two legendary artists, Padma Bhushan Anup Jalota, the Bhajan and Ghazal Samrat, and 𝐂𝐮𝐽 Mukherjee, a Grammy Jury and 𝐂𝐮 Award winner. Anup Jalota's soulful bhajans and ghazals have touched hearts across the globe, and now you have the chance to experience it live. Whether you're a seasoned aficionado or new to the world of Indian classical music, 𝐂𝐽 2025 is the place to be. Picture this: the rhythmic beats of the tabla, the melodic strains of a harmonium, and a gathering of people who share your love for music and culture. 𝐂𝐮𝐽 Foundation has been at the forefront of preserving and promoting Indian art, music, and dance. They're not just hosting an event, they're creating an experience that honors our rich cultural heritage while nurturing new talent. So, mark your calendars, tell your friends, and get ready for an evening that will leave you spellbound. Join us at 𝐂𝐽 2025 and be part of this musical journey through time. Remember, March 8th at Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan, Hyderabad. Let's celebrate the legacy of Indian classical music together. See you there.